Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to do a live photo on your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, open Camera on your phone and click on the settings icon on the left corner. After this, you'd be able to see this tab named Top Shot on Auto. If you wanna do a live photo, you would need to click on this button right here, and the Top Shot will turn on status on. Also, I will set up a timer so I can show you a good example what is a live photo. After we are done with these settings, click on the screen and make your live photo. And that's it. Now, let's take a look on this photo. It looks like a basic photo, but if we hold our finger on the screen, you'd be able to see the photo moving, and that's called live photo. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.